This big guy has a displacement of 4,400 tons. Let's see how much splash it can make. Get your vertigo medication ready. How do they even stand it? This rescue operation looks like a scene from Mission Impossible. Drones can not only film incredible scenes, they can also create them. The stroll along the water near Laredo, Mexico is stunning. And while you're there, you can also catch this amazing scene. Write in the comments how many points you rate this trick. I'm feeling even more anxious about murky water. This camera work deserves an Oscar. He had enough space left to jump over yet another tiny house. The drone operator is clearly the winner in this race. An experience he definitely won't forget. On that particular day, a massive great white shark joined these folks, and they found themselves extra cautious about maintaining their balance on the surfboard. Normally, filming is not allowed in paradise, but they made an exception for us. This person can certainly put stress management skills on their resume. Wonder how many Michelin stars they give for cooking a tornado. The office seconds after the boss leaves. Every apartment in this building comes with a nice little extra bonus. This little drone went through a real trial by fire to capture these amazing shots. It's a good thing they don't walk on land anymore. There will be no awkward situation, because this man has a sense of humor. This guy's job isn't a walk in the park, but he sure has great corporate transport. Check out how the sun's rays intensify when they pass through this enormous magnifying glass. Hit the like button if you noticed the imposter. This guy is about to show us what modern technology can do. But if you look through these goggles, you're able to see everything in the entire aircraft. on phone, and it's actually pretty neatly detailed. And you're able to see and mule, learn everything through the goggles. I sure hope these chairs have ejector seats. Check out this mesmerizing beauty. When you suddenly realize you took a train to the wrong airport. Done? Would love to test this, but I don't have any ping pong balls.
Big thanks for spending time with me today. Hit subscribe if you want more awesome content. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't keep this to yourself. Share it.